Welcome. In this video we will see DNS tool. We'll learn how to use DNS tool that Kali has incorporated. Basically these tools help in zone transfer or domain IP resolving issues. Enumeration is a process that allows us to gather information from a network. DNS enumeration and SNMP enumeration techniques. DNS enumeration is a process of locating all DNS server and DNS entries for an organization. DNS enumeration will allow us to gather critical information about the organization, such as usernames, computer names, IP addresses, and so on. To achieve this task, we will use DNS enum. For SNMP enumeration, we will use a tool called SNMP enumeration. SNMP enumeration is powerful SNMP enumeration tool that allows user to analyze SNMP traffic on the network. First, let's see theory on that, and then practical, and then again theory, and then again practical. The first tool is dnsenum.pl, which is Perl script that helps to get MX, A, and other record connect to a domain. There are some additional options we can use using dnsenum. For that, first open up terminal. I will type dnsenum google.com. The result we got is we got host address, that is google.com 172.so, and name server ns1, ns4, ns3, and so on, and their IP addresses and their DNS addresses, and behind that mail servers. It's trying zone transfer and getting bind version. It's not possible, and it's over. So we got three basically output, that is host address, name server, mail X server, and zone transfer and getting bind version we were unable to get. There are some additional options we can run using dnsenum, that is -thread. -thread allows you to set how many processes will run at once, and -r allows you to enable recursive lookups. -d allows you to set the time delay in second between whois request, and -0 allows us to specify the output location. -w allows us to enable whois queries. Use this option to get to know what that all means. Now let's move on to second one, that is DNS map. DNS map helps to find the phone numbers, contacts, and other subdomain connected to this domain that we are searching. So for that, I will type DNS map google.com and enter. DNS network mapper has begun. It's giving information as IPv6 address, PV6 address, accounts.google.com, admin.google.com, and so on. It's just going on. So these are the IP addresses and IPv6 addresses. I just stopped it by pressing Ctrl+C, as it was giving lots more information. Do try this for different domains to get what all information you can collect from DNS map. The third tool is DNS tracer. Gets its information from a given host name. I will type DNS tracer google.com. As I said before, it determines where a given domain name server gets its information from a given host name. So these are that: ns3, ns1, ns4.google.com, and DNS address got authoritative answer. So that's all in DNS tools in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video.